Off you go.
What are network layers? In computer science, the network layers are a framework that help to understand the complex network interaction. There are two main models. These are the OSI model and the TCP over IP model. The OSI model, or Open Systems Interconnection model, is the older model. However, it is still used frequently to reference and describe the network layers. It consists of 7 layers: physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application. Layer 7, application. The application layer is what the user interacts with. Web browsers and other internet-connected applications use Layer 7 application protocols. Layer 6, presentation. This layer converts data to and from the application layer. It translates application formatting to network formatting and vice versa. It allows different layers to understand each other. Session. This layer establishes and terminates connections between devices. It also determines which packets belong to which text and image files. Transport. This layer coordinates data transfer between systems and hosts, including error checking and data recovery. Network. This layer determines how data is sent to the receiving device. It's responsible for packet forwarding, routing, and addressing. Data link. This layer will translate binary into signals and allows upper layers to access media. Finally, the physical layer. Actual hardware sits in this layer, such as copper wires. It transmits the signal over media. TCP over IP. This is sometimes referred to as a protocol stack and is a condensed version of the OSI model. It includes network access layer, which is the equivalent of layer 1 and 2, the internet layer, which is the layer 3 equivalent, transport layer, which is the layer 4 equivalent, and the application layer, which is the 5, 6, and 7 equivalent. How they work. These layers are not individual steps the network go through, but rather a process that works in tandem together at the same time to deliver packets across a network. An example. Imagine you are video chatting a friend on Skype. Layer 7 protocols like Telnet would be the first part. Layer 6 will receive the application data from Layer 7, translate it into binary, and compress it. Layer 5 will then determine which data packets go to which file. It also establishes, maintains, and ends communication between you and your friend. Example part 2. Layer 4 will take the Layer 5 data and segment it. Each segment is given a source and destination port number, as well as a sequence number. This ensures that the segment arrives in the correct order and reaches the correct application. Layer 3 will then transmit the data segment between networks in the form of packets. Layer 2 will receive the packets from Layer 3 and will perform physical addressing. It sends and receives MAC addresses to the data packets. Layer 2 also allows data packets to be transported by local media. This layer is embedded in the network interface storage. Layer 1 consists of things you can touch. This layer will convert the binary.
I can't pause it.
I'm sorry.
I guess we've got another blooper.
Come on. Ascend.